To other news now, caution tapes and signs have been placed along several sections of the Southern Coastal Highway in the vicinity of Pamfret in St. Thomas to mark compromised sections of the roadway. Motorists are being advised to reduce their speed because of the defects. As Jamaica Maitland explains, there have been at least 2 reported crashes in the area recently.
Navigate through this. Nothing now got done to this unless somebody crash and dead.
An angry motorist warns of the imminent danger following the state of the recently opened leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project in St. Thomas. And he isn't the only one.
The road not ready. It's not ready. When the field say it's ready, sometimes your vehicles are swinging through. It's not ready.
Custos of St. Thomas, Marcia Bennett describes it as very unfortunate.
Time come, we suffered for over 40 years on the worst roads in St. Thomas. Everybody is saying St. Thomas has the best roads. Now look what is here. And I'm not saying it's all the road surface that is bad, but something went wrong between Pamfret and going to the pond.
Now, vehicles coming from Morant Bay going into Yallas would oftentimes drive on the opposite side of the roadway because of the extent of the damage here. And the residents told us that just last week there was an accident. Luckily, no one was severely injured.
A vehicle came off the street about 3.5 right into the farm. If I was there or anybody was there in the daytime, it would have been detrimental.
The police told us that on Wednesday there was another crash. Again, no one was seriously injured.
Is it speeding that you think is causing the issue, or you think it's the condition of the road?
They are culminated. But the road is one of the most detriment. Because people coming from ends not expecting certain things. You coming from that end because they expected a nice clean road.
It's why the Custos says the repairs must happen immediately.
I am saying to the minister who is in charge of roads, please get your officers to correct what is here, because we cannot go back to Prime Minister, we cannot go back to Minister Clark.
But according to Minister of Works Robert Morgan, the government is protected by a defect liability clause.
For 1 year after the road is handed over, they are responsible to make any corrections to any defects that may occur, any damage that may occur over that 1 year period.
He added that the troubled areas will be repaired. However, he wasn't able to say how soon. Workmen were seen along the Roselle Main Road where a retaining wall collapsed during Hurricane Beryl. But unlike the wall, the motorists say the road surface was already showing signs of defect.
Send out somebody who can deal with the road situation. Because St. Thomas Road is not just a road where you just come and work on. St. Thomas Road has somebody will have sense of a fixed St. Thomas roadway.
In the meantime, a caution to the public.
Tell them have to be careful, take them time, cut them speed. And the road is good.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.